Hello. Just found this beautiful box. It is so warm and safe. I want to send Valentine's love to my mommy. So I came up with this little poem. My mommy is more than just a mother. My mother is more than just a wife. My mother has brought to this world a newborn. My mother given this world a new life. My mommy is one with love and honor. My mother comforts me day and night. My mother works every hour. My mother teaches wrong from right. My mommy knows when I am worried. My mother knows when I am happy. My mother knows when I am sorry. My mother knows how I feel inside. My mommy gives love forever. My mother needs to see me smile. There is no better gift for my mommy than her special baby child. Happy Valentine's, Mommy. I love you.